Drones in vector surveillance. Novel use of the drones play a major role in the vector-borne diseases surveillance and control. They are used to monitor the vector breeding sites and in spraying insecticide. Drones are also known as UAVs, that is, unmanned aerial vehicle. Two types of UAVs can be used: multi-motor UAV system and fixed-wing UAV system. Before UAVs, for mapping vector breeding sites, the satellite imaging technique and mapping using manned aircraft were used. Broad categories of application of UAVs for vector-borne diseases. 1. Serve as surveillance tool, that is to gather entomological and epidemiological relevant data using sensors such as visible spectrum and infrared cameras. 2. Helps in delivering the vector control interventions at target sites like larvicide and other control measures. Drones in vector management can be used in 4 ways: surveillance, larvicide delivery, adulticide delivery, and sterile insect release. Process of surveillance. Images obtained from USV-mounted sensors are stitched into assembled digital map called as orthomosaic. This image is uploaded to Geographic Information System, GIS, which is refereed as Global Positioning System. The digital maps inform the number of activities in vector surveillance and control. Once processing is finished, the resultant map is called prescription map. Prescription map is uploaded to UAV for application of larvicides and other control measures. Examples: for mosquito surveillance, for oviposition sites of arboviruses, to map the snail habitats to investigate risk of schistosomiasis, challenges faced while surveillance is transferring and storing of data. Practical challenge, especially rural areas with lack of internet and access to electricity. Larvicide delivery and adulticide delivery. Space sprays, or the insecticide delivered using vehicle or aircraft-mounted release equipment. Sterile insect release. It is the technique of introducing the sterile live insects of same species at target sites to disrupt wild vector population and interfere with reproduction. Advantages of UAVs: that they can operate below the cloud cover, which is a disadvantage with satellite mapping. Can reach remote and inaccessible areas. Disadvantages are limited battery life, susceptibility to wind speed and precipitation, dependence in manual control by human operators, local and national regulations on operational altitude for drones, accept of communities as it concerns safety and privacy. The key challenges can be overcome by development of frameworks to both permit and regulations on usage in endemic settings. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for updates.